Begin by unfolding your bar and locking each leg into place. Once your bar is locked, unzip the attached fabric and insert your shelving. Zip your fabric closed or roll up for easy access. Apply your graphics by pressing the sides of the graphics onto the counter, making sure the bands are aligned with one another. Complete your setup by attaching your Popup Bar's banner. Start by unscrewing the back two counter screws using your Allen tool. Take the bottom poles of your banner and screw clockwise until locked. Assemble the top half of your banner's frame by fitting each component together as shown and lock into place. Apply the fabric pillowcase graphic over the frame and attach to your Popup Bar to finish.